how to build a phone holder as you charge it. So get a piece of cardboard, it's fold lengthwise, as this, and just get your phone here, just see approximately how wide it is, just cut. So your phone will essentially sit inside here, like this, and hang off the plug, like this. So you're going to need to map it out. Let's get a pencil, just draw around. There you go. And we'll cut that out. Just make sure it fits over the plug. If it doesn't, you may need to trim it a bit. Trim down here. So now make sure it fits. There we go. So get your phone plugged in. Plug the plug in. Let's get your phone around the holder, like that. Hang over the plug, and you're ready to go.